Hello StockEdge users, this is your friend Vivek Bajaj. I am the co-founder of StockEdge. Friends, first of all, let me thank you from the bottom of my heart for liking what we are doing. This product, which has been almost, we are going to complete 4 years, this product is wholeheartedly product meant for people like you who would like to become independent and get out of that biasness which other people in the ecosystem are trying to create in our life. So this is your tool and I'm so happy that you are using it to the true potential. Now, there are so many things in StockEdge which I can spend hours and days and months and talk to you and tell you about the potential this particular tool has. Apart from that, because I have an experience of almost 15 years as a trader in the market, I have so much to talk to you people and tell you how trading actually works in the market and how you can use StockEdge to excel in market as a trader. So what we thought that why don't I go to your place and talk to you in person and see if we can add more value to you. So we are coming to 8 cities, all 8 major cities where the maximum traders are. We are coming to your city. These are the list of the cities where we are coming along with the date. You come down, meet us. We are conducting a one-day workshop where we are trying to give you a perspective about how trading happens, what are the various trading strategies. We are going to share with you some live trading strategies which makes money for us, and also how you can use StockEdge to its true potential as a trader. So do join us for any of these cities and let's grow together and create this environment of independent thought process in our life. Thank you.